In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external URL to StanStore. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable product in your store that sends visitors straight to any link you choose, like a blog post, a sign-up page, a resource library, or a video hosted elsewhere, while keeping the experience seamless for your audience. Start by opening your Stan dashboard and heading to the My Store tab. This is the central place where all your products, offers, and links live. You'll be adding a new item that looks and feels like a product card, so it blends right in with the rest of your store. Next, click the plus Add Product button. This tells Stan you're creating something new for customers to interact with. Instead of choosing a digital download or a checkout-based product, select the URL/media option. This is designed specifically for situations where you want to point visitors to an external destination without collecting payment or files inside Stan. Now fill in the details that help your link stand out. Start with a clear, action-oriented title that tells people exactly what they'll get when they click. Think along the lines of "Watch the tutorial," "Join the workshop," or "Read the full guide." For the description, give a concise overview that sets expectations, who it's for, what they'll learn or access, and any key outcomes. Keep it scannable and benefit-focused so visitors know it's worth their click. Add a thumbnail that visually represents your content. Choose a clean image with high contrast and minimal text so it's readable at a glance. Consistent colors and branding can help your store look polished and professional. In the button URL field, paste the full link you want people to visit. Use the complete address, including HTTPS, to avoid broken links. If you have a preferred tracking format, this is where you'd include it, but make sure the destination loads quickly and is publicly accessible. Short, memorable links are helpful, but prioritize reliability over cleverness. When everything looks good, click Publish to make it live. Your new URL product will now appear in your store and function like a call to action button that directs visitors straight to your external page. If you ever need to refine the title, swap the thumbnail, or update the link, you can return to the My Store tab, edit the item, and republish. That's it. You've added an external URL to your Stan store in a way that's clear, branded, and user-friendly, helping you guide your audience exactly where you want them to go.